How to deposit money to XTB. Follow my instructions. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to deposit funds into your XTB trading account in 2025, quickly and securely. First, this action is done from the XTB Client Office, not from the XStation platform. Here's what to do. Open your browser and go to xtb.com. Then log in to your client office. Once logged in, look for the deposit button. It's usually at the top or on the dashboard. Click it and you'll see a list of available payment methods. This may include bank transfer, credit debit card, online wallets depending on your country. Choose your preferred method. For example, if you pick credit debit card, just enter the amount, card details and confirm the transaction. Your funds will be processed immediately for cards or wallets, but bank transfers might take 1 to 3 business days. Make sure you're depositing into the correct account currency to avoid conversion fees. That's it. Your funds should appear shortly in your XStation account under the Available Funds section. Thanks for watching.